Here we go for a match that perhaps is more beloved by the WWE Universe than any other. The tables, ladders, and chairs match. Competitors set for action in this one. We get to see Penta, Finn Balor, and Joe Gacy.
Danger lurks everywhere in a TLC match. Approaching this match with a well-thought-out game plan doesn't always make you a winner. Ooh. Boom! Oof.
Uh-oh. What an elbow drop. Right to the heart. Finn turns it around.
Pulled back into the hip toss.
Boom. Limits are pushed in a TLC match. How do you prepare for that, Corey?
Well, it's all about perseverance here. Trying to avoid pain is futile. You have to push your own limits just as much as you push your opponents.
A huge target on the knee after that.
Ooh! Looks like he's got something in mind for ringside here. Gacy able to avoid impact. Oh, man!
Coming back from the outside now. Point of the elbow, nailed it. A sit-out mat slam.
Finn Balor returning his attention to the WWE Universe now. Boom! Oh, vicious discus clothesline.
Misses the target. What a forearm.
One counter met by... Two knees. You're going to need your back adjusted after that one. In the corner. Has to find a way out of it.
Knife edge chop echoing through the arena. The hit's starting to take their toll on him a little.
Yeah, the calculating side of Gacy was really on full display.
And Balor's attack gets cut off. Returning to the ring now.
Double axe handle connects.
Springboard up the top rope, cross body. He's headed out to the ringside area. Making way towards the top rope.
Incoming!
Taking the action to the outside.
Might be taking a breather here. Oh, hard shot right into the post. Gotta respect the strategy to work over the arm.
Oh, look at this. Just cranking the head. That's gotta hurt.
Oh. Uh-oh.
One step ahead there.
Oh, man.
And Balor's looking determined.
This is a good job of keeping Penta in check.
What a counter.
Ooh. Disrupts the attack with an elbow to the gut. Both competitors showing they've studied the other's playbooks to the teeth. Oh, that hurt.
Here he comes, sliding back into the ring. From the top, he fails to connect. He's setting the ladder up on the turnbuckles.
Getting inventive with the damage he wants to deal.
Drop kick to the knee.
Unleashed on the knee, and that might drastically slow things down.
I like this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
Gacy has lost any sense of command in this one.
Finn's proving hard to deal with. We may be moments away from Gacy's demise. Balor with 19-16. And now is the time to act and go for that brass ring. Penta managing to get some control back now. But Penta still has more to do to get this fully in his favor. He's looking like easy prey, about to fall into a trap.
No. Oh, no, went big and pays for it.
That right there was a patented crash and burn. The decision to go high risk produced no reward. Hey, that's my water bottle.
Don't worry about that now. Just get out of the way, Saxton.
No, you know what? Stay right there, Saxton.
ringside now. What does he have planned?
Oh, whipped right into the post. Ooh, stomping. Ouch. Finn Balor has his sights set solely on his opponent now. Ooh. Kick lands. Bam. Striking down with the axe handle.
How much longer can this really go on?
Penta looking to cinch it in. Here it comes. Boom.
Broken up with a fist to the face. He'll make his way to the ring.
Answer after answer for each other's offense. Stop after stop after stop.
This match is just evolving right before our very eyes.
I really hope it doesn't get more hazardous than this. Off the ladder now. Let's see if this is ripe for the picking.
Working on the hook here.
Might be a little overzealous going for it here. Too late to stop now, though. Ooh. Oh, clothesline. You could see Penta's eyes taking aim. Penta has his opponent locked in. It's a Penta driver. He might have spent all his energy with that move. He has to fight through the exhaustion. The path to victory is in his grasp. Elbow drop.
Striking with a knee. This is not looking good for him.
Taking on so much offense. You got to worry about the lingering effects. Penta's in a compromised position. Up and
1916.
crucial offense executed perfectly. You have to go big or go home in a ladder match, and they just went huge.
Taking things back into the ring. Climbing up, but is there enough time to go for the win?
Getting him right into the corner.
Knife edge chop going through the arena.
Ooh-wee.
Oh, God. And Gacy not allowing fatigue to hold him back now.
At this stage, I don't know where Joe gets this undeniable aggression.
These men are looking battered and bruised. You have to believe the end is near.
Bruised but not broken. This one's going as long as there's breath in their lungs.
Goes under the ropes and into the ring.
Ooh, merciless looking blow.
Sweeps the legs.
Crushing double stomp. Ow! Ooh, walloped by a huge club.
Quick thinking from Penta.
Powerbomb position, up we going. Powerbomb onto the knee. And his body seems to be the preferred target.
Balor has him in the drop zone.
From the top. No way home. Oh, that'll clean your clock.
He's got the ladder in place. Looking to win this thing. Headed up that ladder. Center of the ring.
He's going for it.
But does he have enough of a reach?
Looks like scaling the ladder was the easy part of the job. Unhooking the prize is the big challenge.
He might have it here.
It all comes down to this moment. But so much could still go wrong here.
Hand and elbow. Pressing their foot right into the gut. That's got to hurt. Into the ring again now. What reflexes to stop Gacy? Shoulder tackle. Setting up the ladder.
This could be it. determination. Gonna make the climb.
Trying to reach it. Trying to win.
All eyes are glued high above the ring.
He's looking to go high risk from the top rope.
Perched up top.
Diving knee drop. Ooh. You know, we can stay here, guys. And he retaliates.
Forearm club.
Boom. Read that one. Look at this. Oh, and a backbreaker.
Right to the spine.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent. Ooh.
He quickly slides into the ring.
Oh, man.
He's got the ladder set up.
Could be the opportunity to win right now.
And gets sent right into the corner.
Oh, man.
Super kick.
Oh, so athletic. Fishing for something beneath the ring.
Whoa! That'll fillet your chest.
Shoulder tackle. They are feeding off the WWE fans, now pinning the arm down, and
Goodness gracious.
boom.
What impact!
Taking full advantage of the foreign object in play here. Back-to-back attacks. Look at this crowd. It's insanity in here. Balor is gaining control here.
Yeah, somehow Gacy has got to turn the tide.
Back into the ring now.
Looks like Balor's loading up.
Penta cradles his opponent.
Penta driver.
Now is his opportunity. Now is his chance. Get to the ladder and climb.
And into the corner he goes.
Ladder set right in the middle of the ring. Starts to climb, but needs to move quickly. This could be it. He might get it down right here.
Slow and steady won't win the race in this situation.
Looking to free it here.
This has got to be it.
Victory is inevitable.
Oh, my God.
Oh, what a kick.
Off the ladder now. Let's see if this is right for the picking.